Hello friends, welcome to Flash tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to create shape tween. Open ActionScript 2.0 and first let's create rectangle. Select rectangle tool and you can change color from here. Okay. Click the mouse and then drag the mouse like this. Let's change the position here. Okay. Now let's see how to create shape tween. Select any frame and right click, insert keyframe. Okay. Now right click on any frame and select create shape tween. Okay, here in shape tween you can change from rectangle to oval or from rectangle to any other. Okay, let's first create rectangle to oval. Cut this on, select last frame first and then cut it. Okay, and go to rectangle tool and from here choose oval tool. Okay, from shift key, with holding shift key I am dragging mouse for perfect circle. Okay, I am creating circle here. Okay, so this is the shape tween. Let's see the movie. With control and enter is a shortcut for testing movie. Okay, very smooth. Let's create something else instead of this. Select just line tool and just line. Let's convert rectangle from line. Let's convert it. Okay, this is it. Paste the movie. Go to control, taste movie and select test. Wow. Okay, so this was the example for shape tween.